Hello, Miriam at the Bureau with your national weather forecast for the weekend, Saturday the 22nd of November, with a quick look ahead at Sunday the 23rd of November as well. We'll start though by taking a look at Saturday's weather map. Now we can see low pressure troughs are continuing to move across the continent tomorrow. We've got one lying through the east, another moving through central areas, and a third across the west. These low pressure troughs are expected to generate showers and thunderstorms across parts of southern and eastern Australia tomorrow. In the north, Tropical Cyclone Fina continues to move southwest across the western coast of the top end, moving to the north of Darwin. We are likely to see heavy rainfall, damaging to destructive winds and possible flooding. Elsewhere across the country, heat will be building this weekend, particularly through those central and eastern areas, with heat waves starting to develop as well. Let's take a state-by-state look at tomorrow's forecast now, starting with Queensland. In Queensland tomorrow, that low pressure trough lying across inland parts of the state will generate thunderstorms and a few showers once again across parts of central and southeastern Queensland. Now, storms tomorrow are likely to be fairly isolated and non-severe, but we could still see some locally moderate falls or gusty winds with any of that activity tomorrow. Elsewhere, it will be a mostly dry and sunny day. Hot though, temperatures really building with heat waves developing through the northwest and inland parts of the state. Brisbane tomorrow can expect a shower or two and a top of 29 degrees. In New South Wales tomorrow, the low pressure trough lying across inland parts of the state will generate areas of showers and thunderstorms to the east. Those thunderstorms mainly impacting the eastern inland and northeast, pushing out towards the coast there. For Sydney, the Illawarra and the south coast, we're more likely to just see showers and rain areas rather than the thunderstorms. But storms in some areas could turn severe, particularly across the central and northern tablelands, some of the slopes and plains as well. Heavy rainfall is the greatest risk tomorrow, bringing that hazard of flash flooding. For Sydney tomorrow, we're looking at showers through the day with a top of 23 degrees. Down in Canberra, showers increasing with a top of 21 degrees. In Victoria tomorrow, the chance of morning fog through the east, then cloud building and showers developing, pushing down from the east and pushing in from the west as well. Those showers should be fairly isolated through most of the day, but we'll see them increasing a little later on, particularly across central parts of Victoria and through the east, with some more moderate rainfall possible late in the day going into early Sunday. For Melbourne, we are heading for a shower or two increasing through the day with a top of 23 degrees. Down in Tasmania tomorrow, the chance of morning fog or frost with another cool morning on the way there. Then we're in for a mild, dry and mostly sunny day. A little bit of cloud developing across the north later on with a very slight chance of a shower. For Hobart, we're looking at a mostly sunny to partly cloudy day with a top of 19 degrees. In South Australia tomorrow, showers and thunderstorms moving through, mainly impacting central and eastern parts of the state. Fairly scattered, and we're not expecting any severe storms in particular tomorrow, but we could still see some moderate rainfall in some areas. Heat will really start to build across South Australia tomorrow, particularly those inland and central parts of the state. We'll see temperatures remaining slightly below average through the southeast. For Adelaide tomorrow, we're looking at a shower or two on the forecast with a top of 25 degrees. In Western Australia tomorrow, showers and thunderstorms developing across the far southwest through the day as this low pressure trough moves through. We could even see some severe storms in those areas with the risk of damaging winds or large hail. Perth may get a thunderstorm or two tomorrow, otherwise a few showers and a top of 25 degrees. Elsewhere across the state, we're looking at partly cloudy conditions in the south, tending sunnier inland, and heat really building inland as well, with heat waves starting to develop across parts of the north and interior. For the Northern Territory tomorrow, Tropical Cyclone Fina will make its way through the Van Diemen Gulf, passing to the north of Darwin. We're likely to see showers, thunderstorms, heavy falls, flooding and damaging to destructive winds for parts of the top end, continuing through our Saturday. Now, we've issued another severe weather update video for Tropical Cyclone Fina today, so you can get all of your cyclone details in that other video. Elsewhere across the Territory tomorrow, hot conditions through those central and southern areas with heat waves starting to build. Let's now take a quick look ahead at Sunday, the 23rd of November. For Sunday, we're going to see Tropical Cyclone Fina continue to move southwest, away from Darwin towards the Kimberley coast. That means we'll see that wet, stormy, windy weather pushing a little ways into northern Western Australia. We'll keep you updated about Tropical Cyclone Fina with further videos over the weekend. Elsewhere across the country, low pressure troughs through the east and central areas continue to generate some thunderstorms. From southeast Queensland throughout eastern New South Wales and into Victoria, we're likely to see showers and thunderstorms on Sunday, with the chance of severe storms for some, particularly through New South Wales. Elsewhere, we could see some drier thunderstorms through a central band of the country, pushing towards the southwest. It's really only the southwest corner that's likely to see anything too much in the gauges for our Sunday. It will be cool along the west coast and in the north under the influence of Tropical Cyclone Fina, but most other parts of Australia are in for a warm day on Sunday. Temperatures really building through those central areas, eastern areas, and pushing down into the southeast as well, with heat waves starting to develop further north. Now you can find your detailed weekend forecast via the Bureau's website, the Bomb Weather app, or via our social media. Have a good weekend and we'll catch you next time.